Hello guys, today I have received an email from Tatiana Pidorchenko. She has asked a technical question. So this was like, we have to have evidence of second marking available for external examiners. And before we used to scan paper-based scripts and place them in James. So how are we going to proceed this year? So, taking into account that we may have a quarantine, also like prolonged, or from London, our examiners may not be able to visit us. Putting everything in James will not be convenient because James is the local folder, like network folder. You have to be within the university to access it. Otherwise, you have to have some technical tricks to access it remotely. So instead, this year we can simply upload them on intranet, and then you may ask how. So let me show you. So you create a simple assignment, but the type you pick would be a regular examination instead of coursework or take-home examination. So pick a regular examination, and then we can just simply save it. The next thing is we need to add markers as usual. Yeah, you have to click on Edit Markers, and you can add your first marker or second markers using this page, like just by clicking Create Marker, and by just selecting the names like these, and it will pop up all the names like so. And then you can just pick a type. It can be first marker or second marker, and we can go back to list, and we're ready to click on text examination 1 and do our marking, I guess. Oh no, so we need to populate student list, because if you guys remember in your coursework or take-home examination, students had to upload their files. And then based on those uploads, you used to do marking. But this time, you will not have uploads because it was your regular examination, and they submitted everything on the paper. So, and they also have a paper, and you marked it. So we need to have a list of students, and then probably upload your markings with comments and everything into the intranet. So for that, we have a button called Populate Student List. So all you have to just click on it, just like I did right now. And next you will have a list of students. So once you have your students ready, like in my case I have 51 entries for this software quality test. So next is you can even edit your marking scheme if you would like to. By default it has default marking scheme. But in my case, if I don't need to, if I have to just simply upload my marks, so I can just go ahead and click on Do Marking, and I have a list of students, and I also can attach students to markers. So this, what it does is just allows you guys to select which marker would be a second marker or the first marker for what student. So if you select them, your second markers, when they log in, they will have only their list, okay, of students, so they can do the second marking or the first marking. And also there's a magic checkbox. Like it says, show teachers only assigned students. So what it does is just closes access to see a first marker feedback to the second marker, or second marker's feedback to the first marker. So this simply hides it. Okay. So once you set this, you can just go ahead and go back, and now we can do the marking. So we can just go ahead and click on Edit Mark, and if you guys look, yeah, we have a regular feedback area, but we want to upload a file. So there's an upload file button. So you can just for this students, if you would like to upload your feedback, plus this is also going to be available to external examiners online on intranet, and they will be able to access it from London. You can just click on this and then upload your files. Okay, and that's it. I mean, that's how simple is it. And once you're done, you can, if you'd like to, you can even publish it to students as a feedback just by clicking on this checkbox. If you don't do that, this will not be available to students, but available only to external external examiners. If you would like to save all your markings, if you have put the marks, you can even save it automatically into SRS just by clicking on Save to SRS. Okay, so and that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.